Welcome to Merrick's Dabbling Path.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, how's it going, Merrick?
Good, Vivek. So you started a new gig, yeah? A new job, keeping yourself busy.
Yes, it's just a evening thing, and actually it's a startup. And my
Perfect, dude.
yes, the previous place where I used to work, it was my manager. She like just called out. She's like, if you have few hours, could you host meetings? I'm like, sure,
Oh,
and
nice.
that's how. Yep.
And just few
Yeah.
hours in the evening.
Yes, just few hours in the evening. It's like 2 to 3 hours. The meeting
Right.
can differ from. Yep.
And it's like a Monday to Friday thing, or just like
It's
random?
Monday to Thursday I've chosen, but it's
Nice,
flexible.
nice. Oh, nice. Yeah.
How about you? How have you been spending your days?
Same for me,
Mhm.
but I think I don't know whether the last time I spoke to you, I was telling. No, I don't think I've told you about it. I was like keeping it
Mhm.
under the wraps, but now that it has come to surface a bit, so what I've been doing is, like I've been like like I've been interested in crypto and blockchain, right?
Yep.
So I've been writing to startups over here or companies that are working on the same things. I'll be
Mhm.
like if I like what they're doing, I'll be like, hey, like I've been writing to like the manager or the managing director or the CEO of some companies like that. Like, hey, like I really like what your company is doing and all. And like, I'll see what they're doing and like give a little more briefer message, but like just cutting it short, like, oh, I like what you're doing. And in the future, if there's like, if there's like any growth, like if there's any opportunity that probably I'll be able to fit in somewhere and all, I'll be like more than happy to join a company and whatever, work with you guys. So in doing that, like one of the managing directors of a company who's doing like crypto-based research replied back to me, yes, we are looking for someone to do like admin stuff and like just like and I need someone to support me. The business is growing really fast and we need some this thing. And then yeah, I had like a few talks with him on the phone and then like a Zoom interview at all. But initially, what he was looking at is someone to work part time. I was like,
Okay.
I can't do that, man. Like, I have a full time job. There's like, I don't see a point of me leaving my full time job to do a part time
To
job where
do.
I'm not going to like make enough of the cash that I need to sustain myself with. Yeah, but I'll be like willing to help you, like if there's something that I can help you with. And then he had like few interviews with me, like seen what like how a thought process works and like like what's my knowledge in the field and all that kind of stuff. And then he offered me a full-time gig only, man. So yeah, so then I think it was few days ago that I told my current company that I'm going to be leaving them and I'll be joining these guys. That was a bit of like a, how do you say it, because I just started with these guys not too long ago, and here itself they wanted to see me grow into a managerial role, but I'm not really interested in like the dentistry stuff here, like working in the dentist field or working in that. I'd rather do something that I'm interested in. So yeah, that's been like something that I went back to.
That is really good to hear, man, Merrick. Like,
Yeah,
fuck. It's always good to surround yourself and like put yourself in the position where you're like doing more of what you're interested in and like what's your passion. That
exactly,
is killer.
exactly.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
meet the right, you meet more people of that kind and you attract more of them. Yes, it matters a lot. Sometimes we risk this doing something else and then we attract something else due to we are spending that time and we are like, why is this happening?
right. Like if on that, like I remember hearing this somewhere. I think it was one of a Japanese philosopher. Like if there's like a straight, like your path is like if you look at it, like if it's supposed to be a straight line, and even if you have a slight divergence from it, like a slight divergence, like say it goes like 1 2 degrees off, right? Like if it's a 90-degree angle and it goes 1 2 degrees off either on the higher side or the lower side, over time if you keep drawing those
Definitely.
lines, the difference is going to be so vast.
Vast, so
Yeah,
vast. True,
yeah.
true. They'll never meet again. That's
They'll
the
never meet again,
basic. They'll
basically.
never. That's all true. Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, I've been like talking to my other friend as well, like in the
Mhm.
doing some podcast with him. We probably like recorded a few things over the weeks. I mean, like during last week. That's been good. Yeah, he has his own ideas coming up as well. Like he wants to start doing his own thing. He makes music and he wants to have his website. And yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
That is cool.
yeah,
Yes, making music. Yeah, dude, stimulating your mind. Yes, I'm
yeah,
doing little corporate work, but then it's something that I studied. So,
yeah.
like
Exactly. Like
how
if
to
it's
like it surrounds. Like I can't say like this is my passion and I look forward to doing it. But I would say that because I have been doing this for so long, I've acquired the skill and it pays the bills.
exactly,
So
and
yes.
so like my friend, we should probably like speak together. Yeah. So his name's Gareth. So yeah. So his point of view is also like he doesn't want to do anything that will like not like what he doesn't want to do, right? So he doesn't have a job. Like he'll do something on the side like just to get pay the bills. He'll probably do like something like Uber or something like that. Yeah.
Yes.
But otherwise, like he's really focused on like just doing what makes him happy. And yeah, we should all like the three of us need to get on one same call. Like I think you guys
No,
would
no,
gel along.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
It'll be a fun. And once those ones are out, I'll send you a link to it as well, like so that you can give it a listen
Yes, yes, I'll.
to see his thought process. Give it a go. Yeah.
Oh, yes, I was gonna ask if they've already up, but yes, glad you
No,
said it. They're gonna
yeah,
send the
it's
link.
not. It's not. I just like need to cut some things out and yeah, need to like yeah, like edit some stuff out like last time as well. Like yeah, that is good. I was actually supposed to speak to one of my other friends this morning, but we had like a storm over here. So in
Okay.
his property, like a tree fell in the like somewhere around his house. So he
Oh,
had to sort that out. Yeah, he. So his name's
I hope
Mark,
they all
and
are safe.
yeah, we're all right. We're all right. He yeah, he used to be like a really big dude, man. Like in the sense, like I'm not sure, like but easy, like 150, weighing around 150 kilos, I think.
Okay,
Yeah, and then like he's
that's
also like
big.
on this path where he's like now he's like really focused on like cutting all of that down, getting on a healthier track. At the same time, like Mark is also like you can say he is has like a critical thinking going on. Like he's not too keen on believing uh, in the government or in terms of like whether vaccines work and stuff like that. So that I thought that would be an interesting conversation as well. So I was looking forward to that. But yeah, I was gonna do that tomorrow anyway. So yeah,
Oh no, sounds good.
yeah,
That'd be interesting, definitely.
yeah.
Here they apparently, like in Canada, it's recent news, like yesterday. So, three of our main vaccines, that is Pfizer, Moderna, and AstraZeneca.
Right.
These three they've changed names for them. This has happened yesterday, and that is when all three of them got the clearance to be given to anyone that is 12 years and above.
Hmm.
So now these vaccines are apparently called, they have different names than the
Okay.
name that is actually we know them for by now. And I
Right.
wasn't sure why would they do that, but like there would be reasons. But yeah, I think one of them is to suppress all this conspiracy theories that's already attached to all these names.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, like I was just getting an
I,
idea. But
I,
yep, anything.
yeah, I think over here they've already starting. I'm not sure whether it's 12 years old. I should be probably more aware of this, but I think it's 16 at least. Like where if you're 16 and above, maybe 12 as well. Like that you are able to get vaccines. But I also seen briefly seen something. Maybe I'm wrong, but I also briefed something where they've been like introducing vaccines like through Pfizer in the USD. I mean in the US they are
Mhm.
doing these Pfizer ones for 6 months and above, or they're going to modify it to be like yeah for 6 months and above.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
So if
let's
it
see. No, I
general
know
health
they
advice.
had something after 6 months that they were like, okay, you can take a booster or
No, no,
something,
no,
but
no, 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 mistaken me. I mean, if for a six
okay,
month old infant,
okay,
yeah,
okay,
for an
okay,
infant,
for an infant,
yeah,
okay, okay. Now that's crazy.
yeah,
That
It's
is crazy. That's
yeah,
like polio. No,
like
I
a
don't think you
polio
even
dose.
get
Yeah,
polio.
like
You don't even get polio dose at 6 months, or do you get polio dose?
I'm not sure.
I
I'm
don't
not sure.
even
But
remember. Yes.
polio is, I think, just barely a drop on your in a mouth. Yeah, like if I remember correctly, like polio is like a drop. I think it
Yeah, yeah.
used to
It is
be.
2 drops. Yes, yeah,
Yeah,
1 or 2 drops.
it
Yes,
used
yes.
to be a shot, and I think then they modified it to be a drop. I think.
What are the ones that we have on our arm,
I
bro?
I I I don't know. I don't know. Like I always have that question. You should probably find out. You should probably ask the folks.
Hepatitis or something?
I
Yeah, dude. I
Yeah,
feel it's
probably
hepatitis,
hepatitis.
bro.
Hepatitis. Yeah.
Yeah, like burned and all, dude. Like I just
Yeah, it's like a weird one. No, like I
yeah,
can't
it's like one
imagine.
of those ceremonial ones. It looks
Yeah.
like, like
I,
they
I,
will.
I think I think that is the actual chip that's been in us, dude. That's it.
Probably, dude. Probably. Okay,
Yeah.
what's up? Okay, sorry.
So yeah,
Hmm.
what else was I gonna say? How's your folks back home and all like?
Oh, they are good. They are good. They are just dealing with whatever the renovation is going on, so
Nice.
they are a
Yeah.
bit. But yeah, they are.
Mm,
Yes, they are all
mm.
well. How about you? How's everyone? How's
Everyone's
mom doing?
good. My grandmom
Brother.
is pretty serious.
Oh, where?
Yeah,
As in,
as in like
I
she
hope not Corona.
not corona, but like it's probably like a last stages of her life, you could say.
Okay,
So
okay.
like in
The
that sense,
age.
like yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay.
due to
Where is she?
age.
Is she at home
She's
or
at
she's?
home. The hospital,
Mm-hmm.
like she's been going in and out of the hospital, but she's like fed up of it, so she's like she just chill at home. But she's gotten to a stage where she can't, like she can barely eat anything and like barely move and barely speak. Yeah.
Okay.
So just like yeah, that's been going on like back home in the sense, but yeah, taking care. My cousin was able to fly from the US back to India to go see her. So that was
That.
like yeah. But
Mhm.
from what I heard is like when he has to go back, he
Mhm.
has to go back from India to Mexico, then 14 days quarantine in Mexico, and then go back to US.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
that is
yeah,
okay.
that is something. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that is something. But at least he's able to leave and
Y-
go now. That's one of the
Yeah.
things, right? Yes.
And
Because
here I'm not able to go beyond 5 kilometers. Yeah.
yes, it's crazy
It's
times,
crazy. I
dude.
don't know. Like over here, another thing that happened is like there's like the construction sites, right? So they told construction
Mhm.
workers that they are not allowed to. So for constructions, they build this temporary kind of lunch rooms or like on site they build like a temporary setup where they are allowed to unwind like during the breaks or whatever it is. Yeah. So the
Mhm.
government said that they are not allowed to use those things. Like they are supposed to eat outside, like not inside that thing, but like in open air.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now that's one of the okay.
yeah. So what these guys have done is like, okay, you want us to eat outside. So
Mhm.
they've got these. You know how you get your camping tables and camping chairs and all
Yeah,
that stuff.
yeah.
Yeah, they've taken all of that and they've set it up in the middle of the roads.
Okay, like that's one way to
Yeah, like
retaliate, but yeah, now what
yeah.
is?
I think it's like getting a little like I think in this like from my point of view, I think
Mhm.
the authority is abusing their power a bit too much over here. I don't know. Maybe they are doing the right thing, like just to keep the numbers down, keep the hospital like keeping the beds vacant and stuff like that by having all these restrictions.
Mhm.
But from what I've been seeing, like some of my friends from jiu-jitsu and all this other stuff, like I cannot relate to this government so much, right? I've barely been here like 3 to 4 years now. But
Yeah.
from like what their point of view is like very different from the people that I work with is like there's like two sides of it. Like some people are like really like, oh, the government is doing the absolute right thing, and like then on the other side, like are they accounting for the people who are having like mental health issues and people who've lost their jobs and people who are like what are they doing about like
Suffering from what?
yeah, like
The
we've been
other
hearing
thing.
about this from the start of where places have been locked down, like wa- home, what's it, domestic violence and like other stuff like that. Yeah.
Everything's increasing. Yes, that's true. That's everywhere also. I think it's yep.
Mm. Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, what you been doing like
Mhm.
during your free times, or do you have like free time?
No, so that's the thing now. Now I actually I do not have free time. The only free time is the weekend, which is
Okay.
usually just catching up with friends.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, at least I try to have good sleep in these days. Yes, because usually, I don't know,
Right.
weekdays I wake up early and then I sleep. I get good sleep. I make sure that I get good sleep only, then I'm able to be productive during the day.
Of course,
Otherwise, yes.
you're on the medication as well, so sleep wouldn't be
Oh,
such a
definitely,
big.
definitely. And now that it's like one of those things that I don't do it the whole day and I just like
Right, right. Just
do it
use it.
end of the day, it's
Yeah,
okay, it's worth it.
yeah, right. The thing is, like, yeah, I mean, I wished it was like legal over here, like, so just so that it's easier. Like, I've had bud over here, but like, you don't know how's it, where's it coming from, what's it in. I know someone who was working in like these like illegal farms, and they were telling me like how they spray the bud with like some kind of chemical just to give it flavor and fragrance and stuff like that. And like, fuck no, like I can't put that thing in me now after
Okay,
hearing. Yeah,
wow.
yeah. Like,
No, I don't
yeah,
think there's
of
so
course
much
not over there
flavor.
because
It's
it's like
different,
legal
yeah.
and like, yeah,
Oh yes, it's now the game has changed, dude. Like, oh,
yeah.
I can literally tell you it has totally changed. Like, because I've been here from the time it was illegal, like it legalized it in front of me, I can say.
Right, right, right.
So yes, so the difference of everything and the availability, wow.
Yeah, I
I
know
can
you
like
showed me one of
it's
those websites, and it was like, fuck, yeah, and a
yeah,
candy shop.
candy shop. Yep,
Yeah,
yep.
wow. Like I got overwhelmed. I couldn't make a selection of anything. Like even if I was like, if I put myself over, like I'm gonna be in Canada, I don't know. I'll probably have to take some time off, like 2 3 months off, just to like, yeah, just to experiment with
Oh,
stuff. Yeah,
100%. I
if
cannot
I would
even
really
like
want to,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
if I just wanted to like go and experiment with stuff, yeah, I'll probably have to take some time off from everything, just experimenting and enjoying some of that stuff there. Yeah.
Yeah, I just hope it's like anyway, but yeah, if you've spoken to our friend who visited,
Sorry.
I said our friend who visited me over here, Dylan,
Oh,
then
right,
he
right.
had, yeah.
Oh, he had an,
So
yeah, he had a different experience, I think.
yes, he had a different experience. So yes, everyone, yes.
Yeah, depending,
But
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, it's been going on.
no, no good things. What plans for today? Any
Oh,
plans?
we're still in lockdown, and it's like bad weather, so I don't really think we can go out as much. Saturday is usually I think I mentioned this last time as well. I was actually going to say like I just put it like on a brief hold now. I've been making kombucha, right? So like my
Okay.
yeah, my tea is on the like the brew is like the
The
tea is on the gas, and I just need to switch it off. I'm just gonna pause it here. Yeah.
sure, sure.
Actually, I just right, I'm back. Yeah. So yeah,
Yes,
just
no
need
worries.
to turn the gas off. Yeah.
No, no, I get it. But I was gonna say, like,
Yeah.
anyway, Tarun is gonna come in the next, I think, 7 to 8 minutes, and I think I need not, no, I think 12 minutes, and I think
Right.
yes, I need that time to get ready at least.
Sure, sure, sure. We can call it off
Yes,
here. It's
yes,
been like a good
yep.
chat anyway.
No, but it's a
Good
good
to
chat. Yes,
yeah.
and
We'll
yeah, we'll.
catch up probably next weekend then. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I was, and then we'll see if I can get Garrett to come on sometimes. He works only on the weekends doing his Uber thing, but let's see. We can probably make some time.
Definitely, that'd
Yeah.
be fun.